Hello, my name is Peter. I've joined the Trupp cooking school because I'm very interested in cooking and whole foods. The three key skills that I've learned from this cooking school are basically making a lot of products from the start, doing a lot of cooking from scratch, which is a great benefit, such as broth. The second key skill is for me that I've learned a lot about whole foods and about how foods are treated in the supermarkets. And the third key skill is just to have an overall understanding about recipes and how they come together and cooking several things at the same time. The highlight of my experience at Trupp Cooking School was probably making bone broth from scratch at home, which is something that I would have never bothered to do before. Basically, I would recommend this course to anybody, not only the experienced or skilled home chef. I would recommend this also to people who have never cooked in their life, because they would be able to find out how easy it is to make meals from scratch for themselves that are easy to make and taste so much better than just bought or ready-made meals. So I think in overall anyone can join this course and really enjoy it.